Hello guys, welcome back to Let's Learn Hub. Today's topic is smallest and largest digit numbers. If you haven't watched my previous videos yet, please go through them so that you will understand numbers and also you'll understand this lecture better. Okay, let's get started. So in our first lecture, I told you that this is step 0, this is step 1, this is step 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And also I told you this is step 0 and step 0 is less than step 1. That is, the step 1 is higher than step 0. Similarly, step 2 is higher than step 1 and step 0. And step 3 is higher than step 2, step 1 and also step 0. Okay. Similarly, 4 is higher than 3, 2, 1 and 0. And 5 is higher than 4, 3, 2, 1. And 6 is higher than all these numbers up to 5. 7 is higher than up to 6. 8 is higher than up to 7. And 9 is higher than all these numbers 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. And next is the 10. And 10 is higher than all these numbers from 0 to 9. So, what is number series? Number series is like, so far you have learned numbers from 0 to infinity, right? Keeping all the numbers that you have learned on a number line or on a line with equal distance between them is called number series. Just notice that here gap between 0 and 1 should be same as gap between 1 and 2, and that should be same as gap between 2 and 3. If we keep all the numbers with equal distance between them, so this is a number series, and you will have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and on the right side you will have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. It's keep on growing and we'll get higher and higher numbers. This is number series. Okay, and numbers on the number series will keep on increase from left to right. That means for any number on the number series, it will be higher than all its previous numbers. Okay, so far we have learned 0 to 9 in the first lectures, and you see that these numbers from 0 to 9 has only one digit. See, it got only 0, it got only one digit, that is 1, it got only one digit, that is 2, it got only one digit, that is 3, it got only one digit, that is 4, and it got only one digit, that is 5, and it has only one digit, that is 6, and it has only one digit, that is 7, and it has only one digit, that is 8, and it has again only one digit, that is 9, and after 9 we will get 10. But notice here that 10 is having two digits, one on the left, one on the right. So 10 is a two digit number. 10 is a two digit number, and these all the numbers from 0 to 9 are one digit numbers. Okay, so 0 is our first single digit number and 9 is our last single digit number. So we started from 0 and we reached up to 9, and after 9 we'll get 10. So this is the last single digit number. Okay, and once we reach 9, so since 0 is the first single digit number, this is the smallest single digit number, and since 9 is our last single digit number, 9 is the largest single digit number. Okay, did you understand it? 0 is our first single digit, so this is smallest. 9 is our last single digit number, so this is our largest single digit number. So our next number is 10, and after we got 10, we learn from 10 to 99. And once we reach 99, we got next number as 100. See, all the numbers from 10 to 99 got only two digits, one on the left, one on the right. And next number after 99 is 100. See, it got three digits, 1, 0, 0. So it is a three digit number. And all the numbers from 10 to 99 are two digit number. So our 10 here is the first double digit number, and 99 here is the last double digit number. Okay, so 10 is our first double digit number and 99 is our last double digit number. What does that mean? Means this is the smallest, this is the largest. double digit numbers. See, so since 10 is our first double digit number, 10 is our smallest double digit number, and 99 is our last double digit number. So it will be higher than all the double digit numbers. So it will be the largest double digit number. And the next number is 100. This is 100. And from 100 we learn up to 999, isn't it? And you notice that all the numbers from 100 to 999 got 3 digits, exactly 3 digits. And we know that 100, after 100 we'll get 101, and then 102, 103, 104. And we also know that each number will be higher than its previous number. See, this is 100. Next number is 101. 101 will be higher than 100, and 102 will be higher than 101. Similarly, it's keep on moving forward. So 999 will be higher than all the 3-digit numbers. After 999 we'll get 1000. See, 1000 got 1000. That is 4 digits. So after 999 we'll get 1000, which is having 4 digits. So this is our first triple digit number, and this is our last triple digit number. What does that mean? That means it is the smallest one, this is the largest one with 3 digits. Okay. So 100 is our smallest triple digit number, and 999 is our largest triple digit number. Okay. See, 999 will be higher than all the numbers from 100 to 998. Will be higher than 100 to 998. So this is the reason it is the largest triple digit number. And the next number will be 1000. And again, with the 4 digits, we will get from 1000 to 9999. These are all having 4 digits. And also numbers will keep on increase from 1000 to 9999. That means this is the smallest, this is the largest. And the next number will have 5 digits, that is 10,000. See, you can notice here that it got 5 digits. This is 10,000. So 1000 will be our first 4-digit number, and 9999 will be our last 4-digit number. So 1000 will be smallest, and 9999 will be largest 4-digit numbers. Okay, see, 1000 will be smallest 4-digit number, and 9999 will be largest 4-digit number. Okay, you got it? And next number is 10,000, and with the 5 digits we will get all the numbers from 10,000 to 99,999. See, all these numbers from 10,000 to 99,999, we will be having 5 digits, and each number will be more than previous number. So it will keep on increase. Numbers from 10,000 to 99,999, numbers will keep on increase, and reach up to 99,999. And the next number will be 1 lakh or 100,000. And you can see here it got 6 digits: 1000000, 11 and 5 zeros. It got 6 digits. This is 100,000 or 1 lakh. You can clearly notice that this is the first 5-digit number, and this is the last 5-digit number. So it will be the smallest one, it will be the largest one. Okay. So 10,000 is our first 5-digit number, and 99,999 will be our last 5-digit number. That means what? This is our smallest, and this is our largest 5-digit numbers. Why? Since just because numbers from 10,000 to 99,000, it's keep on increasing. See, next number will be 10,001 and 10,002, 10,003, 10,004, 10,005, 10,006, and it will keep on increase, and reach up to 99,999. So this is the reason it is largest 5-digit number. Okay. 10,000 will be our smallest 5-digit number, and 99,999 will be our largest 5-digit number. See, you can notice that with single digit, you got smallest as 0 and the largest number as 9. And with 2 digits, our smallest number is 10 and the largest number is 99. With the 3 digits, our smallest number is 100 and largest number is 999, that is 999. With 4 digits, smallest number is 1000 and the largest number is 9999. With 5 digits, smallest number is 10,000 and the largest number is 99,999. See, did you notice that if we have a single digit largest number, that means we have to keep 9. If we want double digit largest numbers, we have to make both digits as 9. If we want largest triple digit number, then we have to write 3 nines. We have to make all digits as 9. Again, if we want largest 4 digit number, we have to make all the 4 digits as 9. And if we want largest 5 digit number, then we have to make all the 5 digits as 9. So we'll get all the largest numbers. So if you want any digit largest number, you have to make that many digits as 9. So you will get largest number of that digit. Okay. So how to get smallest? See, if you want first 1 digit smallest number, you will have 0. And for 2 digit smallest number, you have to add this extra 1 and you have to add 0. Okay. For 3 digit smallest number, you should add 1 extra 0 to this 10. So you will get 100. For 4 digit smallest number, you have to again add 1 extra 0 to this 100 and you will get 1000. And for 5 digit number, you have to again add 1 extra digit to this 1000 and you will get 10,000. See, for any smallest digit number, you have to keep a 1 on the left and make remaining digits as zeros. Here only 1 digit is there, so there is no choice of putting 1. So you have to keep it as 0. For 2 digits, so you have to make left digit as 1, right digit as 0. For 3 digits, you have to add 1 and make rest of the digits as 0. For 4 digit smallest number, just put 1 on the left and make rest of the digits as zeros. For smallest 5 digit number, you have to keep this 1 as a leftmost digit and make the remaining digits as 0. So you will get smallest numbers and largest numbers, and these numbers will keep on continuing. See, for the 6 digit numbers, this 1 followed by 5 zeros will be smallest number and 6 nines will be largest number. And for 7 digit number, 1 followed by 6 zeros will be smallest number and 7 nines will be largest number. Similarly, for 8 digit number, 1 followed by 7 zeros will be smallest number and 8 nines will be largest number. Similarly, for 9 digit number, 1 followed by 8 zeros will be smallest number and 9 nines will be largest number. Similarly, for 10, see, for any digit number, to get largest number, you have to make all those digits as 9. For smallest digit number, you have to put a 1 on the left side and make remaining digits as zeros. So you will get smallest digit number. For largest, it's very simple. Make all the digits as 9. It's very simple, right? So it will keep on growing and you can write as many digits as possible. And 10 digit, 11 digit, 12 digit, 13 digit. There is no limit for this. You can keep on writing. Okay? You understand it, right? Okay. If you understand the video, please give us a like and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next lecture.